What do you think about our new Valerie futon sofa?
I think it's awesome. It's compact, easy to use, comfortable. I like it a lot.
Does it come in any different colors?
It does. Comes in gray and beige. So
Real nice.
yeah, it's not your only option.
Why don't you show everybody how it works?
Sure. Like I said, it's real easy. You simply grab the front part here, lift it up, pull it out towards you, drops down. One click locks it into place. You have access to the full storage underneath, where you might keep pillows, blankets, or other beddings. Then to put it in its bed position, one more click, drops down, and you have a true full-size bed that sleeps 2 people comfortably.
2 people?
Yeah, easily. Come check it out.
All right, let's check it out. I love that. Oh no, look at that.
How about that?
Oh wow.
Told you.
Not bad, not bad.
It's a really awesome piece. And then to put it back, you simply lift up. Here, that first click locks it into place. Again, access to the storage. In this case, we got some pillows under here. And to close it, you just push it down and in. And there you have it. The Valerie sofa bed here at Futon World.